All right, everybody, thank you for coming to the T&J Construction office. This has been a long time coming, but we're extremely excited to have you here today. And just a little backstory here, I looked at multiple different properties. This one happened to be the first one that I looked at. And when I first saw it, I just thought it was too much, too big, and we just weren't quite ready for it. Well, here we are. After multiple different properties, we decided that this is the best fit. And we're just super excited to show you the work we offer and some of the different unique products that we did to finish it out. Let's take a look. What stands out right away is this pallet wood. We had this made from a family in Utah. They helped me design a color that helped offset the blue a little bit. And so we got a 5-color finish here, and it just pops and looks amazing. Walk you over here. We're also very proud of this flag. This was made by a local veteran here in Rogers, Minnesota. His name is Caesar. Spent a little bit of time with him, and just a great human being, and just want to honor him and this flag that he made. And I have to admit, we got a little bit emotional when we were talking about the stars on the flag. Each star represents somebody he served with in the military, and there's a story behind each and every one of those stars. All right, follow me. Next, we are going into our training room. And let me tell you, we are absolutely excited how this turned out. Our training is very important because a lot of the projects we do are very technical. So we need visual representation in our training along with our unique software that we use. And we just want to train each person that we're working with that we're following the process and executing the project for our homeowners and our business owners. This piece of wood is from Brainerd, Minnesota. Again, another local woodworker out of St. Michael made that for us. And I think it just turned out great. Okay, so when we were framing this out, I pulled my framers in here. I'm like, how high can we get these ceilings? And they're looking at me, aren't they high enough? I'm like, well, I don't think so. What you're not envisioning is a future elk mount, a moose mount. So we're big hunters here at T&J Construction, and we just thought a wide open space would be a great spot to showcase some of the hunts that we've had. So I've been hunting well over 30 years, and this buck right here, you know, that's how long it took to actually get an opportunity for a deer like this. So he's with 4 does. I grunted at him, he ran even harder, grunted at him again, and he stopped, and the rest is history. So that's a beautiful Wisconsin buck I shot in 2022. We are very veteran friendly here. A good portion of our team is veteran. We have Navy, Marine, Army, and it's fun to watch them banter a little bit back and forth. But we do a lot in the community with veterans as well. They're very near and dear to our hearts. So we have a painting just to, you know, try to honor that and what they do for us. We're just beyond thankful for all of our veterans. We are also a faith-based company. It's not something we hide. And when I saw this painting, my jaw dropped. I'm like, we have to have this here in the office. And we just think it looks amazing. When you just look at it, you just kind of feel the love and the power that comes from it. So we're just very blessed to showcase it here in the T&J office. All right, we're gonna leave the training room. All right, follow me, we're gonna go to the kitchen. Come on in. One of the fun things about doing one of your own projects is you get to use some of the contractors and professionals in a property of yours. We're always restoring customers' homes, of homeowners, as well as commercial projects. Now we get to enjoy some of the products in our own office. We have soft closed drawers, and the cabinet process was great. We came up with the design. We went into the showroom, picked out colors and styles, just like our customers would. So we actually went through the whole process ourselves, and we were just excited how it all turned out. Now, we're just gonna look at our offices here on the side, and we actually have some of our guys here working hard. So let's go say hi real quick. All right, this is one of our heavy hitters, Mason, and he's just excited to have his multiple screens going, be more organized. Say hi real quick, Mason.
Hi guys, how's it going? Yeah, having these multiple screens going at one time definitely makes working, going a lot faster and smoother, making the job a lot easier.
Mason's been with us here almost since the beginning, one of our first sales guys, and we're just beyond blessed to have him here working with us.
I'm proud to be part of it.
Love you, buddy.
Love you too.
All right, here we go. We got some more guys working. How about that? All right, we got Scott.
How do you do?
Scott's one of our heavy hitters as well. He's leading our training program. He actually helped us design the training room. It's like, hey, how can I help with my knowledge to some of our teams? So we're just beyond blessed to have him as well. And then we have Matt France. He's our operations manager. If you need anything, he's basically our Swiss Army knife. Say hi real quick, Matt.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
All right, last office we're gonna take a look at. So this is my business partner, best friend, it's our office. And we did the ceilings in old barnwood. Some of this barnwood is from 1865. And we have one more wall of pallet wood. And as you can see, we got some of our favorite teams in here. All right, one of the design features we did with this office is we actually have it connected to our warehouse. So let's go take a look. And if you know anything about projects, it seems like you're always in a project. So we're just finalizing this barnwood wall. And again, this is from, we have pieces of barnwood as old as 1865 on that wall. I mean, just think of all the nails and different farmers who've pounded those nails. And most likely this board has been reused in multiple different locations. And this is where we have our water mitigation equipment. We do have a few projects out right now, so we have some of our product or our equipment in here for service and cleaning. We check them in, we check them out, but this is where all of our water mitigation equipment goes. All right, well, hey, thank you for being a part of this video with us, and I'm just excited to announce one of my best friends, if not my best friend and business partner. We've been together since, what, 2000?
Might have even started with the 19, right? Everybody gets excited about that.
So we're just excited to be here together in our new building. And Nate, yeah, what do you think of what you see so far?
Well, what helps people move any process along right in their life is usually clarity, focus, and execution. So when you put a building like this together, it helps people get clear on their mission, which helps them focus and helps them execute. So what the entire team did, including Levi at the helm of this, have done is put together a space where our customers, our clients, our community can come and have a great experience, and that helps them do more business. It helps them get our 5-star experience.
I couldn't have said anything better myself. So hey, thank you for being a part of the video, and we'll hope to see you soon.